Hello, this is Sheldon St. Clair, and welcome to this presentation about the SKM project templates. What should have been a 20 to 30 minute presentation will now be done in 5, but I'll see what I can do. Okay, right, let's start now then. Following this set agenda, you'll know a bit about me and my background, my company. I'll learn a bit about you and your business, and then we can explore possible synergies. And okay, a bit about me. I've got over 16 years experience developing project management tools and supporting project managers. But I'm actually a 28-year veteran in the IT industry. Started off as a programmer and business analyst and project manager. I've been trading in Ghana since 2010, where I provided used and new laptops to local Ghanaian businesses. I'm a fellow with the Royal Society of Arts and Commerce, and also I've got an MBA as well, and my degree is in mathematics and computing. So yeah, so that's really about me. Okay, this is the 4th company that I've set up, and this one is really about, this one is really devoted to providing knowledge, experience, tools, and processes to Ghana and also to Nigeria as well. But a lot of kind of like knowledge, providing templates and training and consultancy and coaching to financial institutions in the UK and in the States. And I believe there's opportunities for me to offer that service in Ghana. Okay, in the UK, the clients that I have worked in are mostly in the financial services area. So you've got Lloyds and Lloyds Banking Group, which is the largest bank in the UK. You've got the FSA, which is or was our key regulatory area. DHL, which is all over the world, the Co-op Bank. Basically, the services I provide to these companies is around project monitoring, project evaluation, the tracking of projects, project budgets, project resources, and I use my own templates and also processes as well. So these are large organizations and tend to be broken up in terms of divisions or groups or departments. So I'll go into a department, and if they've got a portfolio of projects, I will kind of like manage that on their behalf and produce weekly or fortnightly reports as to the state of their portfolio. I'd also work with project managers, providing them with training, providing them with skills and the tools that they need to use to run their projects. Okay, right, hi. This part of the presentation would have been very important to me. I would have devoted about 15-20 minutes to this bit, and it's really for me to listen, for me to hear your story. Hear some information about yourself, about your company or organization, hear about your the visions and the goals you have for your company, what your internal strengths and weaknesses are, what your external opportunities and threats are, and yeah, it's really about finding out a bit more about yourselves. Okay, I would have had some questions because yeah. I do like to ask questions, and it would have been, around for example, who your major competitors were within your specific marketplace. it would have I would have asked kind of like what you were looking for in this type of product. Also, how would you see these templates, for instance, these project templates fitting in with the training you provide, the courses you offer, the services you provide as consultants, and also who you believe the prime users of these templates were and why. But it's more about kind of finding out a bit more about you and your organisation. Okay, great. Okay, I've got some sample templates that I would have spread out and shown you, just for you to get an idea about the quality and look and feel. The templates kind of fit within a project lifecycle. So on this diagram, the green boxes represents the project stages or phases. Okay, in this instance, we've got 6 phases: startup, initiate, plan, execute, control, and close. The yellow stars are the decision gates or decision points. This is where a project manager would get approval from his board or steering committee to go from one stage to the next. And the blue boxes within each stage represents the templates or the documents that the project manager would need to produce and get signed off. These are, in my view, the minimum documents, not minimum, but the key documents. If we look at the startup phase, okay, you've got the vision doc and the blueprint. Well, that's only needed if you've got a big project or a program or portfolio. So you wouldn't really need to produce those if you're in a project, but some of the others you would do. But this is a great diagram which kind of encapsulates kind of like the essence of the project templates and where they fit into a project lifecycle. Okay, so that's that one. Okay, well, this is just some general information about the templates, but they do offer great value for money. I constantly update them, so that they reflect best practice. I belong to a lot of PMO and project special interest groups, so you get a feel for what the current deliverables are, what stakeholders are looking for, and what information these templates are supposed to convey. So I do update them regularly, but I've been using templates in organisations for a long time, and these work. I will be posting examples of the templates on my website for you to look at, but they all have the same kind of like look and feel in terms of colours, bodies, headers and footers. But you'll have a look in due course. Okay, thank you. Okay, so this is the last slide. This is a scene from one of my favourite films, Casablanca. The gentleman on the right is Humphrey Bogart. So once again, I'm really sorry, and I apologise for missing, not being able to visit Ghana on this occasion. I will be working with the British High Commission in Accra to reschedule, and I hope to see you soon.